Welcome to YouTube Communication Science. Hi, my name is Haoxu Wang. This is the first video I have made for this class. And in today's video, I'm going to answer the question, what is life? Let's begin. What is life? Life is a stage where everyone plays different roles on it. And one could have many distinctive social identities, like teachers, parents, students, or officers. Different people make a living by offering and receiving goods and services from the others and give birth to next generation and so on. And that is what we call life. This video is part of a class called YouTube Science Communication, where we learn about history of life on Earth and then make educational videos about it. If you want to see more videos like this one, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you want to make videos like this alongside us, you can learn how on our Patreon page. Links in the description. See you next time.